the music in my soul, and I got the hope for tomorrow. Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Rolling on the pavement with the 1-2 beat. Boom. Smooth and steady, rolling easy down the street. Boom. Even though I'm not quite back up on my feet, I'm helping myself stand up independently. I gotta keep that hope for tomorrow with my dignity inside. What's mine is yours tomorrow. Together we touch the sky. The struggle is over. I can see it in your eyes. The future is open. We're rolling, rolling, rolling. Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk. Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk. And I got the music in my soul, and I got the hope for tomorrow. Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk. Pennies falling down into a paper cup. Friends I never know, they're trying to look up. Mothers holding babies, trying not to cry. Strangers shouting verses, trying to teach me why.
Hopeful eyes searching, restless arms reaching. A battle's going down with chaos all around. And a mother reassures herself everything will be all right as she steps in rhythm to the sounds of the sidewalk.
Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk. Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk. And I got the music in my soul, and I got the hope for tomorrow. Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk. Take the time to look into each other's eyes. There we'll find our common spirit on the rise. From the grit and grind of walking that fine line, changing failure into dreams I set up high. I gotta keep that hope for tomorrow with my dignity inside. What's mine is yours tomorrow.